Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a second Gmail account. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Gmail, right? And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit your profile icon at the top right. Okay, and go ahead and add another account, or in your case, if you're new, you're gonna see a pop-up window just like this. After hit add, and of course hit the platform, which is Google. Okay, and you're gonna see a window like this if you're new to Gmail, right? So you don't need to follow the previous steps. But if you have a main account already and you want to add a new one, you could just go ahead and do the same thing that I did just now, right? So I'm gonna hit create account, okay? And you're gonna see a pop-up window. If you want to use it for personal use or work or business, I'm gonna hit personal use. And of course, add the first name and last name, or if you want to add it, hit next. And of course, date of birth, make sure it's accurate because you might not get the opportunity to change it later because maybe they're gonna question whether you are real or not. So make sure to add the correct one. Gender, male. Hit next. Okay, and add the username. Sometimes they're gonna give you an option to add your new email, or you can just add one on your own. Okay, like this. I'm gonna add next, and of course add a strong password for this website. Oh, excuse me, add strong password there in order to secure your account. Okay, and now you're gonna review, of course, your account info. If you're sure about everything, just go ahead and hit next, and of course they're gonna ask you to accept their privacy and service terms, and then hit agree. And now you created a second Gmail account. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.